Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to go over 8.4. This one was kind of fun, and it's short. So, memory enhancers. How do we keep it in our brain? Let's talk about memory enhancing strategies. Chunking is one of them. Anytime you tell your phone number, it's da da da, take a breath, da da da, and the last four. Because we've chunked those numbers. Our social security number, it's the same. We remember it in chunks. What's the other one? Is it down here? Oh, I highlighted it. Elaborative rehearsal. This is using your schema, the stuff you already know, or your previous knowledge, to help you remember new information. My example for you is I had a student named Bing. It wasn't short for anything. His name was just Bing. I could not remember it, and I hate calling students hey you, or hey, trying to get their attention. It's rude. So I try to come up with, I associate their name with something. So this kid, I came up with a nickname for him that included his name, so it wasn't rude. But I called him Bada Bing. I'm a big Friends fan, and that became his name. I asked him if that was okay, and he was like 10 at the time. He was like, I don't care. And so that still is what he is called at school today. I don't know how many years ago that was. It was a while ago. I think it was like my second year of teaching. So he still goes by Bada Bing today. It's really cute. Anyways, I do the same if a kid's wearing like a pink shirt and her name's Penny. Pink Penny, it's how I remember names because I hate not remembering students' names. Our next one is Mnemonic Devices. My example, I didn't learn the example that's in the book about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I didn't learn any of that. I did learn PEMDAS though. And please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And that's how you know what to do in math first. It's the only thing I learned in math, but I learned it. And that's the reason I remember it. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, PEMDAS. I still teach this type of memory decoding to my students today. It's just easy to remember. Which leads me to our next topic, how to study effectively. I had a professor in college. His name was Christopher Bell. He teaches at TCC, or he at least did, however many years ago that was. And he had a theory that and I don't know if he did this in grad school or if he did it in his undergrad, but he had a theory that if he drank 6 beers while he studied, that his memory would be the same during the test if he drank 6 beers. Crazy college kids. So his theory failed, but he got an A for, I guess, effort or whatever. If you've ever taken him at TCC, I'm sure he told you that story. It's really funny. Anyways, back to studying. And really, these examples, I mean, it's really just whatever works for you. I've already told you the Mnemonic Devices, that works best for me. It says to get enough sleep. I'm going backwards, I'm sorry. Get enough sleep. That's an obvious example in my opinion. The only one that, I read through this, the only one that I kind of don't agree with, it talks about study somewhere that, be aware of interferences. Study in a quiet place. Some people can't study that way. I have to study that way. I get distracted by anything. But my husband has either ADD or ADHD, I don't remember. But he has to have music while he's studying. And we were together all through college, and so like he would be studying and he'd have like music playing in the background, and I can't do that. It has to be completely quiet, and yeah. So, really I would just read through these, and like whatever works for you, that's the way you need to study. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you remembered it. And that's all. Bye, guys.